Good news, bad news about the new GoPro camera. I just made a video this morning talking about what I was hoping it would be. Let me turn down this fan in case it's blowing on the microphone on my phone. And it looks like the new GoPro, which it's not going to be a Hero lineup camera like a Hero 14 or anything. It's the Mission 1. I guess the Mission 1 Pro is coming out first. And it looks like it's going to have all the things I ever wanted. And they're even going to have an interchangeable lens version, which I always thought would be kind of interesting. So that's the good news. The bad news, of course, for me is that I'm leaving for the Philippines on the 10th of May. And 1 o'clock a.m. on the 28th of May, I'll be leaving Cebu City to fly back home. And of course, the worldwide release date for the camera is May 28th. So it'll be released while I'm in the air coming home. So no nice, superb, low light 8K video on my trip. That would have been pretty awesome to have, but you know, that's life. I guess I'll have it later this summer, hopefully, for some good snorkeling and stuff. But man, it would have been awesome to have over there for some travel stuff, you know. But that's life. Interesting thing about it anyways, though, is comes to YouTube and stuff like this, what are you going to do with 8K, you know? I mean, 8K is fine if you've got a place to display it in full resolution, and if you want to crop and zoom in on sections of the video you've taken to actually produce a 4K video by cropping it, that's interesting. You can do that and move around the screen and reframe things. But for people like me who are just mainly interested in filming stuff and putting it on YouTube or whatever, having the memories of it and having stuff to put on social media, anything more than 4K is not exactly a necessity, you know? But it would be nice having the larger sensor and the better low light video. But we'll see later, I guess. After my trip, I'll have it, but then I won't be in the Philippines. I'm sure I'll find some use for it eventually over here. But yeah, I didn't realize today they're actually going to make the announcement about what it was going to entail. So that worked out good. I am looking forward to it, even though I'm not going to have it for what I wanted it for right now. It will be fun to get and play with eventually down the road. It's not like I'm going to be stuck here in America forever. I'm going to be back in the Philippines and hopefully fulfilling the initial promise of my channel anyways when I started Kano Daily, you know, and the Facebook page that I did. It was mainly going to be about Philippines life and Philippines travel and stuff like that. So eventually, once I'm over there especially, be able to get back to that. May 28th though, then we'll all be able to get our hands on it and check it out.